Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x square plus y square minus z times x plus y. This is equals to 50. Y square plus z square minus x times y plus z. This is equals to 80. Z square plus x square minus y times z plus x. This is equals to 20. Here we will find out the value of x, y, z, and x, y, z belongs to real number. Here this implies x square plus y square. This minus z is multiplied by x, then minus zx. This minus z is multiplied by y, then we get minus zy, and this is equals to 50. And here y square plus z square, this minus x is multiplied by y, then we get minus xy, and this minus x is multiplied by z, then we get minus xz, and this is equals to 80. And here z square plus x square, this minus y is multiplied by z, then we get minus yz, and this minus y is multiplied by x, then we get minus xy, and this is equals to 20. Here let us consider this is equation number first, this is equation number second, and this is equation number third. Now if we subtract equation number second from first, equation number first is x square plus y square minus zx minus zy, and this is equals to 50. And equation number second is y square plus z square minus x times y minus x times z. This is equals to 80. Now here minus minus plus plus minus, this is plus y square and this is minus y square, this and this is cancelled out. Then here x square minus z square, x square minus z square, and here minus z times x, and here minus z times y. Look carefully, minus z times x, and here this is plus z times x, this and this cancel out. Then here minus z times y plus x times y, and this is equals to 50 minus 80, that is minus 30. X square minus z square is same as x plus z times x minus z, and here if we take common plus y, then here x minus z, and this is equals to minus 30. Now if we take common x minus z, x minus z, then x minus z, and here x plus y plus z, and this is equals to minus 30. Let us consider this is equation number 4. Now if we subtract equation number third from first, if we subtract equation number third from equation number first, then minus minus, here plus, and here plus, and here minus. Then here this x square is positive and this x square is negative. Then left hand side we have y square minus z square, y square minus z square, and here minus z times y, and here plus y times z, this and this is cancelled out. Then here minus z times x plus x times y, this is equals to 50 minus 20, that is 30. Here y square minus z square is same as y plus z times y minus z, and here if we take common plus x, then here y minus z, and this is equals to 30. If we take common y minus z, y minus z, then y minus z is multiplied by x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, and this is equals to 30. Here let us consider this is equation number 5th. If we subtract equation number third from second, if we subtract equation number third from equation number second, then here minus minus plus plus, and here minus. This z square is positive and this z square is negative. Then here y square minus x square, y square minus x square, and this minus x times y and this is plus x times y, this is cancel out. Then here minus x times z plus y times z, this is equals to 80 minus 20, that is 60. Here y square minus x square, this y square minus x square is same as y plus x times y minus x, and here if we take common plus z, then here y minus x, and this is equals to 60. Now if we take common y minus x and here y minus x, then here y minus x and here x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, and this is equals to 60. Let us consider this is equation number 6. If we divide equation number 5th by equation number 4, then equation number 5th is y minus z is multiplied by y minus z is multiplied by x plus y plus z, and this is equals to, here this is equals to 30, and divide by equation number 4th is x minus z times x plus y plus z, x minus z times x plus y plus z, and here divide by minus 30. Then this x plus y plus z and this x plus y plus z is cancelled out. Then here in left hand side we have y minus z divided by x minus z, and this is equals to 30 divided by minus 30, then we get minus 1. Now this x minus z if we multiply it by right hand side, then y minus z, this is equals to minus 1 is multiplied by x minus z. Then here y minus z, this is equals to minus 1 is multiplied by x, then we get minus x, and this minus 1 is multiplied by minus z, then we get plus z. Then here if we take this minus x in left hand side, then here x plus y, and this is equals to this minus z if we take right hand side, then z plus z. So that's why here in left hand side x plus y, this is equals to z plus z, that is 2 times z. X plus y, this is equals to 2 times z. Now if we divide both sides 2, then we get value of z is x plus y over 2. And the given equation x square plus y square minus z times x plus y, this is equals to 50. X square plus y square minus z times x plus y, z times x plus y, this is equals to 50. Here this z is replaced by x plus y over 2. Then here x square plus y square minus z is replaced by x plus y over 2, and here x plus y, and this is equals to 50. Then x square plus y square minus x plus y times x plus y, that is x plus y whole square over 2, and this is equals to 50. If we multiplied both sides 2, then here 2 and here 2, then this 2 is multiplied by x square, then we get 2 times x square. This 2 is multiplied by y square, then we get 2 times y square, and this 2 is multiplied by x plus y whole square divided by 2, then we get minus x plus y whole square, and this is equals to 50 times 2, that is 100. Now 2 times x square plus 2 times y square, 2 times x square plus 2 times y square, and here minus x plus y whole square, and we know that algebraic identity of x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2 times x y, and this is equals to 100. Now 2 times x square plus 2 times y square, this minus is multiplied by x square, then we get minus x square, and here minus y square, and here minus 2 times x y, and this is equals to 100. Here 2 times x square minus x square, that is x square. 2 times y square minus y square, that is y square, minus 2 times x y, this is equals to 100. In left hand side x square plus y square minus 2 times xy, that is x minus y whole square, and this is equals to 100. Here we can say x minus y, this is equals to plus minus 2. We have two cases. First case is x minus y, this is equals to 10, and second case is x minus y, this is equals to minus 10. Now first we take case first. Case first is x minus y, this is equals to 10, and here we have y minus x times x plus y plus z, y minus x times x plus y plus z, this is equals to, we have 60, then here 60. X minus y is equals to 10, this implies y minus x, this is equals to minus 10. So that's why y minus x is replaced by minus 10, and here x plus y plus z, and we know that value of x plus y is 2 times z. Value of x plus y is equals to 2 times z. So that's why this x plus y is replaced by 2 times z plus z, and this is equals to 60. Now if we divide both sides, minus 10 and here minus 10, then this minus 10 and this minus 10 is cancelled out. 2 times z plus z, that is 3 times z, and this is equals to 60 divided by minus 10, then we get minus 6. Now if we divide both sides 3, then here this 3 and this 3 is cancelled out. Then value of z is minus 6 is divided by 3, then we get minus 2. Now we know that we have x plus y, this is equals to 2, and this z is replaced by minus 2, then here minus 2, and then x plus y, this is equals to minus 4. Here x plus y is equals to minus 4, and x minus y, this is equals to 10. X plus y, this is equals to minus 4, and x minus y, this is equals to 10. X minus y, this is equals to 10. Now here we will apply elimination method and then find out the value of x and y. Then here plus y minus y, this and this is cancelled out. X plus x, that is 2 times x, this is equals to minus 4 plus 10, then we get 6. Now if we divide both sides 2, then in left hand side this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, then value of x is 6 over 2, that is 3. And we know that x plus y is equals to minus 4, and value of x is 3, then x is replaced by 3 plus y, this is equals to minus 4. Now if we subtract both sides 3, then value of y is minus 7. Our solution is x, y, z, this is equals to value of x is 3 and value of y is minus 7, and then value of z is minus 2. Now solve case second. Case second is x minus y, this is equals to minus 10. X minus y, this is equals to minus 10, and we know that here y minus x times x plus y plus z, this is equals to 60. Y minus x times x plus y plus z, this is equals to 60. Here x minus y, this is equals to minus 10. This implies y minus x, this is equals to 10. Then this y minus x is replaced by 10, then here 10 times x plus y plus z, and here we know that x plus y, this is equals to 2 times z. Here x plus y, this is equals to 2 times z, then this x plus y is replaced by 2 times z plus, and here z, and this is equals to 60. Now if we divide both sides 10, then here 10 and this 10 is cancelled out. 2 times z plus z, that is 3 times z, this is equals to 60 over 10, then we get 6. Now if we divide both sides 3, then z is equals to 2. Here if z is equals to 2 and z is replaced by here, then x plus y, this is equals to 4, and x minus y, this is equals to minus 10. Now here we will apply elimination method again. Then this plus y and this minus y is cancelled out, and here x plus x, that is 2 times x, this is equals to 4 minus 10, that is minus 6. Now if we divide both sides 2, then value of x is minus 3. Now this x is replaced by here then minus 3 plus y, this is equals to 4, and if we add both side 3, then y is equals to 7. So our solution is x, y, z is value of x is minus 3 and value of y is 7 and value of z is 2. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.